There are moments when everything collides. Tempers flare, plans collapse. We call it chaos. The whole world feels off balance. But look more closely. There is a deeper rhythm. When we slow down enough, it can be felt. In the eye of every storm, there is a place that does not move. When we stop trying to fix the storm and simply stand in the center of it, only then the noise begins to soften. Conflict becomes understanding, tension becomes energy, and separation reveals its longing for unity. Reunion is not something you create. It's something you allow. It happens the moment you come back to the place of stillness within yourself.